Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning, and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Janet Turley. She's one of the 4-H agents here in Warren County, and she's going to talk about hippology today. Now, do you know what that is? Oh, Janet's going to tell us all about it. So, welcome, Janet. I'm excited to hear a little bit more about hippology.
Hippology is the study of horse, if you can't tell right here. And so 4-H members in the 4-H Horse Club study the horse and learn all kinds of different things. I mean, the knowledge is tremendous that they learn about hippology. And so not only do they study this, but there's a competition for them to compete in June.
Oh, how fun. So, you know, they learn all these different things. I'm sure you have some examples here. Can kids still get involved with that?
They can. It's starting to get a little bit late, but if they'd like to join the horse club, that there's still an opportunity for them to compete in June. They have to get 6 hours under a certified horse volunteer, and so which means joining a horse club and then getting involved.
And going to all these classes, because, you know, as a little girl, I wanted to have a horse, but there's so much involved with understanding just the anatomy of a horse, the breeds, all those things. And do they learn about all of that?
They do. And so, you know, I've got a few pictures out here. I've got breeds of horses. They have to learn the parts of a hoof. They have to learn about teeth this year. And this year we got 2 new study manuals, level 1 and 2. And for the juniors, the 9 to 13-year-olds, their hippology test will be based on level 1 and 2, which basically is still the breeds of horses, the parts of a horse. There's going to be horse judging and nutrition. And
so in this competition, you know, that's coming up in June, they're broken down in a junior category and a senior category?
Right. So the juniors will compete the 9 to 13-year-olds, and the seniors will compete the 14 to 18-year-olds.
Okay.
And then they have stations where they'll actually they'll either identify the parts of the hoof, or they'll identify breeds. They might identify careers in the horse industry or equipment, lots of different things like that. They'll also take a written test and answer those questions. And then there's a horse judging component as well, where they learn, they'll have 4 horses in a row, and they have to determine which horse is a better horse.
And they learn all this through 4-H?
They do learn all this through 4-H. So even if a child does not have a horse...
I was going to ask that next question. It was going to be that.
Even if they don't have a horse, this is a great way just to jump in to learn about the horse. The more knowledge that you pack inside your little head, the more you will know, for that chance, if you ever do get your horse, you'll be a much more knowledgeable horse owner. And that may not happen until they become an adult. So if they don't have a horse, they can still come and join the horse club. There's the Hippology Contest, there's the horse judging contest, there's the horse bowl contest. Horse bowl is much like an academic team, but it's strictly horse-related questions. There's horse crafts, photography. The list goes on and on for any 4-H member interested in learning more about horses.
Now, I know your horse program is large here in Warren County. There's a lot of kids that are interested in horses, and I think it's very encouraging that you don't have to own that horse. You can come learn about, because even the tack, Janet, I mean, sometimes that overwhelms me about all the different things the equipment that's involved with horse ownership.
Right. Horse ownership can be very expensive, and so this is really an inexpensive way to get a child exposed to the horse program. We have monthly club meetings in Warren County where they meet the first Tuesday of each month at 6 o'clock at the extension office. All kinds of things educational. And then if they have a horse, there's opportunities to go to ride nights. And we also have a drill team. This will be our 2nd year for a drill team. But if they're looking at other counties do have horse clubs, and you know, if someone's interested in getting their child 9 years old and up, 9 to 18, involved in the 4-H horse program, they just need to contact their extension office.
All right, and they can get you information about their particular program and what goes on there. But just to learn all of this stuff, that would have been this little girl's dream come true. So you can make that happen. 4-H, enrolling in 4-H is free, right?
It's free to enroll. And yeah, lots of good opportunity for kids to learn a wide range of topics.
All right. Well, it sounds like a ton of fun with all the competitions as well. So if you're interested in enrolling your child in the 4-H program, or more specifically the horse program, you can contact your local extension office for more information. Thanks, Janet, for sharing that with us. And make sure to get your kids signed up. They don't want to miss out on this. We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show. Have a great day. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.